Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we are going to have a look at this 90s very elegant and classic Citizen Quartz watch. So this is a Japanese watch brand. It is most likely from the 90s, in perfect working condition. It is powered by a quartz movement, so by a battery. As you can see, we also have here CQ from Citizen Quartz. We have this very simple white dial with the gold tone accents on the dial. As you can see, we have an outer ring with the hour markers, all of them gold tone, and then we have an inner ring where we can see Citizen Quartz and the watch hands. So a very beautiful, elegant and simple piece. As you can see, the gold tone case, there are a few signs of aging, but other than that, the watch is in great condition. Here we have the signed Citizen watch back with the model number and the serial number. We have the gold tone buckle matching the watch case and a brown strap in order to keep that 90s classic retro look. As you can see here in the background, there are plenty of other Citizen Quartz watches and mechanical, automatic, even an echo drive. So if you want to check them out, I will leave a link in the description below to our website vintageradar.com. And also, if you enjoy this type of content, guys, about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys, and I'm going to see you on the next video.